Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Levi's. If you don't have a Levi's account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get 20% off plus free shipping on your first order. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. On the pop-up window, enter the email address you wish to use. Then click on Sign Up. Next, enter your first name, last name, and the password you wish to use. After entering, click on Join. Lastly, enter your birthday. On the field provided, select the month and year. Then click on Submit. And now your account has been created. That's how you sign up for Levi's. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.